Hey everybody, just a quick look at these Samsung Mini DV digital cams. These are the sc-d353. These are being sold for parts or repair. They're partially working. Displays aren't working quite right on either one of them. And I'm just going to show you real quick what they do have. The batteries were completely shot, so you will not receive batteries or a charging cable. This sale is just for these two video cameras. But I plugged the charging cable into here. If you open this up, turn it on to camera, screen comes up just like it should. When you actually record, there's the record button there, the screen goes black. Oh, actually not recording it. There we go, now it's recording. The screen just turns black. It doesn't show anything. Doesn't show that it's recording anything whatsoever on the screen. I'll show you what happens when we rewind this one and replay it. So let me stop the video recording, switch this over to video player. Takes a second for that to come up, but there it is, comes back to the blue screen like it should have. We'll rewind it. And we'll play. The screen just turns black. It doesn't show anything. And that's the screen you see. And then it starts flashing and doing all this other weird stuff. So that's the what happens when we rewind this one and replay it. That's the issue with this one here. So let me just stop that. Tape obviously works, because we had a tape in there, so we'll take that tape out, close it, close that up, turn that off, unplug that one, and we'll go with this one and show you what this one is or isn't doing. Again, this is just so you can see exactly what you're going to be getting when you purchase this. This one it still has the plastic over the screen, but I think if you see the screen, you can see all those lines on there. I'm not sure why those lines are there. That doesn't even come up to the normal setting on that. Oh, there's already a tape in this one, so let's go ahead and switch this over to camera. And on camera you still have, I don't know if you can see those lines in the video, but there's just it's a white screen with lines on it. But we'll go ahead. You hit the record button. I know, there we go. And it does not start recording. The tape eject and everything obviously works. We switch it over to play to see if it'll play a videotape. And wait till it gets queued up. And it plays the sound from the videotape. I'm assuming the tape is playing, but as you can see in the screen is still completely messed up on that. So again, this was just a quick view of these. Show you what you'll be receiving in this purchase. Again, all that this sale includes is the two video cameras. No batteries, nothing else, just these two cameras for parts or repair if you need the parts. Thanks for watching.